Okay, good morning. It will be seeing how to transfer files between the Linux operating system and the Windows operating system. It's going to be very much similar towards the Windows network share, which we have previously used in Windows 7, 8, and 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a public folder which will be accessible by all operating systems over the same network in the LAN area. So the prerequisites will be you need to be having a LAN network. It will be either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Make sure they are in the same Wi-Fi channel in the both devices for make this work. Then I need to say one more thing. This is the thing. Uh, so to save some time for me in editing and all those things, so what I've done here is I'll be operating my Linux system through the TeamViewer application over here, so I could get both things in the same screen. Okay, now let's get started. Now head over to Control Panel in the Windows operating. It works the same in Windows 8 too. So now get over to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing, then get to Change Advanced Sharing. Make sure your profile is set to public for easy usage, and Windows does not, I mean Linux does not support 128-bit encryption in all operating systems. I think Fedora does, but Ubuntu I'm not sure about it. Okay, once you're set to that, if it's not set to public, head over to settings and search for settings. Okay. I get over to network and internet and click on properties. Now here we see there's two options, public and private. Make sure to set it to public. If it's private, I think it works in few of Linux operating system. It's up to you. Then head over here and make sure you have set it everything to turn on. And click on all networks and set this to 40 to 56-bit encryption. Then for sake of simplicity, I've turned off my password protection. If you turn on your password protection on, you should be entering the username as a username which you use to log inside your computer. It should be right over here. Okay, and the password will be the same as your password which is hosting the network. Once you've done that, you need to know the IP address of our Windows computer so that you can access it from our Linux device. To do that, head over to command prompt. You can do that by start command prompt and type over, then come over here. Then type IP config. Okay, here we see your IPv4 address. It's 192.168.29.177. So that's your IPv4 address. So it's Windows, right? So Windows will be using Samba network. So, the prefix will be SMB for Windows and the network manager. Now on this Linux system, so running Ubuntu 20.4, so it's using Nautilus as the file manager. If you come to other location, you'll be seeing here to connect a server. Head over there, then type SMB double quotes / then the IP address which you were there. Now press enter. Okay, now as I didn't set any password protection on, you could just type anything over there, anything. Just type some gibberish, then click on connect. Okay, now we're there inside. Now click on uses, public folder. This public folder is set to full control over anybody who's there access to these networks. If you want to create another folder, you could just get over here and see. Okay, let's say we want to share this documents folder over here. Just right click on it, then properties, then select sharing, then click the button share over here, then select share, then no, don't change this place. Okay, that should do it. Now when it's done, then again click on properties, then click advanced sharing, click share this folder, then permissions, then click allow for everyone, plus apply, then okay. Okay, now that should do it. Now let's get back to our Linux YouTube. Now okay, we see first. Yes. Okay, that should do it. Now you see a new folder over your documents, which was the folder we shared in the previous, which we did right now. So that's how we share things in PC. Now let's do a small testing over here. Let's say what I've got, which is okay. I take this one. Just copy this and locations. Get over there. Update. Then okay, let's say pictures. Then I'll just paste it over here. Once you've done that, get over to this one, users, your Windows computer, public. Then get over to public pictures. There we go, we have the picture. The speed and the transfer speed depends upon the network you're using. If it's 5G, you'll be getting more bandwidth, so you'll be having a better speed and reliability. And it also depends upon the computer you're running. So for Windows, I think it max up to 900 MB per second. Yeah, I did it. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like. Thank you.